This is Schlage's King Cobra. They stopped manufacturing it in 2010. They die over time. In this video, I'll take this one apart, starting with removing it from the door. 4 screws on this side, 4 screws like this. When the 4th one is coming out, get ready a spring, and the spindle is inside here. This is the inside here, and this is the spindle, and there's supposed to be a spring underneath it, and from this one it's lost. On the part that's left on the door, the battery pivots, it also removes, but you have to pinch the connector and disconnect it, something like that. And you have 1 screw looking like this. I think it's 4mm Allen key, and 2 screws Phillips number 2. Actually this one says 1/8 by 89mm, but so it's 1/8 screw. When this comes out, pull the wire apart, and the other side stays on the door, kinda almost falling off. So at this point, this can be pulled out from the other side, like so, and there, it's off the door. The latch needs to be removed, and it starts here, starting with the upper screw. When the screw comes out, this plate comes out, and then the latch can be disconnected. So just pull out this part from the door, just like this, and then this will slide out if you take out these 2 screws. The latch, of course, will just slide out of the door, and there, removal is complete.